Dear students, আজি মই এই ভিডিঅ'টোত ক্লাছ 8ৰ চেপ্টাৰ 2 মাই নেটিভ লেণ্ড পদ্ধতিৰ প্ৰশ্ন উত্তৰ দিয়া হৈছে। যদি এই ভিডিঅ'টো ভাল লাগে তেনেহলে তোমালোকে সাবস্ক্ৰাইব, লাইক আৰু শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিবা। Activities 1 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্ন Read the poem and answer the following questions. Question A. What does the old man ask the poet? Answer. The old man asks the poet what his native land looked like. Question B. Why does the old man ask the question to the poet? Answer. The old man asked the question to poet because he was blind and lonely. Question C. How does the poet address the old man? What does that form of address mean? Answer. The poet addressed the old man as Koka. It means grandfather. Question D. Why does the poet ask the old man to breathe deep? Answer. The poet asks the old man to take a deep breath to remind him about his childhood friends. Question E. With what does the poet compare the cool breeze on the old man's face? Answer. The poet compared the cool breeze on the old man's face with the peaceful breath of his land. F. With what does the poet compare the contented gargling of the little baby? Answer. The poet compared the content gargling of the little baby with the soil of the land. G. What does the chorus of the cuckoo and the sparrows do? Answer. The chorus of the cuckoo and the sparrows give shapes to the native land. H. What are the things that create the soul of the poet's believed country? Answer. The soul of the bihudol, pepa and gagana, the aroma of pitha and laru, the scent of the evening prayer in masjid, namghar church create the soul of the poet's beloved country. If you are interested, please subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.